We always capture our memories like photos and videos and then store them across devices like SD card, pen drive, hard disk or in laptop. But what if we accidentally delete them or someone else deletes them by mistake, or we have formatted our SD card or pen drive, or it has got corrupted? Well folks, it can be very frustrating to lose our important photos, videos or files, and we should try to recover them. Now the question is how to recover accidentally deleted files from SD card, pen drive, hard disk or laptop. Well folks, there is a one-stop solution, and that's exactly what I am going to share with you all in this video. Simply watch the video full and follow the steps by downloading data recovery software from the links in the description and pinned comment to recover permanently deleted files from SD card. Hey folks, myself from WMOGeners back with another data recovery tutorial, and today I am going to show you all how to recover permanently deleted photos and videos from SD card, pen drive, hard disk or from laptop. First, to recover permanently deleted files, we will be using the best data recovery software for Windows, and that is Wondershare Recoverit. Now here you may ask why we should choose Wondershare Recoverit and how it is the best data recovery software for Windows 2024. Well then the answer is Wondershare Recoverit supports 1000 plus file formats and can recover lost data due to 500 plus scenarios from more than 2000 plus storage devices. It has 98% data recovery rate and has 20 plus years of experience. That's not it. Wondershare Recoverit has 35 plus patented technology for innovative data recovery methods. So no matter how you have lost data, Wondershare Recoverit can help you get back your deleted data in minutes. The best part, Wondershare Recoverit offers free scan and preview. So if your data is not recoverable, you need not to pay anything. Wow, that's simply insane. Let's give it a try, and for that simply click on try it free. It starts downloading, and once Wondershare Recoverit free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Once installation gets completed, here we have Wondershare Recoverit. So clean and simple UI to get started with data recovery. From here we can choose location from where we want to recover deleted files like local drives on computer. Next, it will show any external drives like SD cards, pen drives, SSD or external HDD if connected. Then we have quick access to recover data from disk image, desktop, select folder and recycle bin. On left we have system crashed computer recovery to restore deleted data from crashed computers. Next we have option to NAS and Linux system data recovery. Then we have video photo restore options like enhanced recovery for lost videos and photos that can recover lost photos and videos from devices like Canon, Sony, DJI, GoPro, Seagate, SD card and more. Next we have option to recover corrupted videos. So first, if you have lost any type of data due to any reason from any storage device, Wondershare Recoverit is your one-stop solution. So now let's know how to use Wondershare Recoverit to recover permanently deleted photos and videos from SD card. And for this, here I have connected my SD card to computer, and once connected, here it shows up in external drive. Let's open File Explorer. Now here we have SD card as drive F. In this we have folder containing photos and videos from OnePlus Smooth Beyond Belief launch event. Now let's permanently delete folder using Shift Delete. Click yes to permanently delete folder. See, the complete folder is deleted and there is nothing in recycle bin as well. Now let's recover permanently deleted folder that has photos and videos using Wondershare Recoverit, and for that here we are back on Wondershare Recoverit. Now simply click scan F drive. It starts scanning. Within a few seconds it completes a quick scan and shows quick scan is completed. Meanwhile, Wondershare Recoverit will continue deep scanning to find more lost files, and it may take some time depending on your drive size. I will suggest you to stop it if you find your files, or else let it complete. As we can see, our deleted folder is here. Let's open it to check the deleted photos and videos. Wow, all our photos and videos are here. Let's preview them. Opening this photo. Wow, this is fully recoverable. See, there is no loss in photo quality. Also, let's open this video file. Wow, all our photos and videos are fully recoverable. Now let's recover them, and for that selected few photos and videos. Now click on recover. Here it shows a pop-up to pick a plan to complete data recovery. Click buy now. This opens a browser with different pricing plans. Here I will suggest you to choose monthly plan if you are looking for one-time data recovery, as it is more affordable compared to other plans. Or if you want to, you can choose any other plan as per your requirement. Click buy now to get a plan. Once purchase is completed, come back to Wondershare Recoverit and log in using your credentials. Once you are successfully logged in, click recover to continue with data recovery. Now we need to select a path to save files. Selected local drive D and then click recover. It starts recovering and within a few seconds data recovery completes. It shows 11 files recover completed. Click on open folder. Now browse through to look for deleted files. Here we have all the photos and videos recovered successfully. See, all of them are fully recovered in original size. That's how easy it is to recover permanently deleted photos and videos from SD card. So effortless and reliable. I will highly recommend you to try out Wondershare Recoverit if you are looking to recover permanently deleted files from SD card, pen drive, hard disk or Windows PC. And if you want to try, find the links in the description and pin comment. If you liked the video and got value, let me know by smashing that like button. Thank you so much. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Motionless, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Are you looking to get started being a content creator and make videos for YouTube? Well then, this video is exactly for you. Are you looking to record computer screen on Windows 10 or Windows 11? If yes, then this video is exactly for you.